Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify error code. So first thing first, this is the error code related with the installation of Spotify. If you are trying to install Spotify in your PC, first of all, you have to cancel it because we ran into an error. So cancel it, close Spotify. Also close it from here. If you see Spotify running or error, right click onto it, select exit. And once it is so, go ahead, open your browser, and let's go ahead, download Spotify from there. Now at the top page, type in download Spotify, select Windows download Spotify. In here, select download, and then you will see download directly from Spotify. Click onto it, and then it should be downloaded. Now go ahead, simply download the exe. Now this time, watch it step by step, and once this is done, your Spotify will be running and there will be no error codes. So if you would like to avoid that error code, make sure the Wi-Fi you are connected to is very strong and you watch every step of what's happening rather than letting Spotify download in your background.